Hey, what's up guys? Joe here with another episode of Chemical Guys Detail Garage. Today we got the Scion FRS back in the shop. If you guys haven't seen our last video, go check it out. We had Henry clean the glass with a variety of different methods, such as vinegar, newspaper, shop towels. I don't know what he did, but at the end of the day, he used streak-free glass cleaner, cleaned the glass, and boom, brand new. So now, today, we're gonna show you how easy it is to apply HydroSlick to your glass to get that intense ceramic shine and protection. As I was saying, today we're gonna be applying HydroSlick to the glass. I wanna show you guys how easy it is to apply it. This is a ceramic SiO2 ceramic suspension gel. So what that means is it's gonna apply just like a wax in the gel form. So what you wanna do is apply about 3 small drops of product. You're gonna go ahead and blot it out on a section of the glass, and then you're simply gonna work it in straight motions. You can go left and right, up and down. You can mimic a crosshatch pattern to make sure that you get the most even coat as possible. So very easily, it glides left and right. The key with HydroSlick is not to oversaturate the product. Don't go crazy, caking the applicator with a ton of product, because it's not gonna work out. So now that we applied the coating to the glass, we're gonna let this flash for about 30 seconds up to a minute. It's kind of a gloomy day today, so I might give it about 45 seconds or so, depending on your climate. If it's colder, you might wanna let it sit for a little bit longer, no more than 2 minutes. If it's a warm day, as little as 30 seconds. So with that being said, we're gonna go ahead and wipe it right off. Show you how easy it is to wipe right off. Wipes in one clean swipe. Wipe it off just like if it was a wax or any other sealant, and you can flip it to a different side to buff off any excess. And just like that, we applied a coat of HydroSlick to our glass, and we can go ahead and let that sit for about 2 hours or so to fully cure, so that we get that awesome intense ceramic shine, protection, and hyperactive water beading. All right guys, so now we're back a few hours later. We let the coat of HydroSlick cure on the glass for a few hours. Now we're gonna go ahead and put it through some torture tests so you guys can see how the water reacts to the glass. The reason we're doing this is because we wanna show you guys how a coated versus an uncoated side is treated throughout a real life scenario, such as when you're driving through the rain or inclement weather. The coated side is going to give you more of a clarity, it's going to give you more of a clear vision, especially when it's pouring water, as opposed to the uncoated side, which is going to be more blurry because you're going to have the water sheeting, and it's not going to look that great, and the water's not going to fly right off as like the coated side does. So we'll go ahead and wet this side and that side, show you guys the differences, and we'll be back right now. We're going to go ahead and mimic a real life scenario in which you're going to be doing this in. So on the left side, you have your coated side. So we have our man Tony out there. He is doing a demonstration where he's wetting the windshield and hitting it with air at the same time. So you can see how the water reacts if you were to be driving, down the highway, how the wind will hit the water and kind of just scoop it right off the surface for you. All right, so now for our untreated side. You see the water just pouring on here. The water is sheeting off the glass, so it's not really looking too good because you can barely see through the glass. So right now, when our friend Tony here decides to start hitting it with air, you'll see how the air reacts, or I'm not even too sure if he's doing both at the same time, but it seems like he's hitting it with air, and you see the water just kind of like sheeting off, and it still looks unclear. You don't get that full clarity, and honestly, I wouldn't want to even be driving in this condition because I don't even think I'd be able to drive. All right guys, another cool thing I want to show you guys is how easy it is to dry your glass with your drying towel after you're done washing your car. Check this out, small microfiber towel, and we're simply just gonna wipe, straight motions, and it's gonna go ahead and pick up all that water. No streaking left behind. Remember, this is not a dedicated drying towel, this is simply a Workhorse microfiber towel. Bam, just like that, you got yourself a clean, dry glass. So we're gonna go ahead and grab our towel, and we're gonna try to wipe, and you'll see a lot of streaks are left behind. Even in person, on camera, I'm pretty sure you can tell. You have a lot of streaking here, there. Doesn't work out for you if you're trying to dry your car with the drying towel. All right guys, so now we're gonna go ahead and put HydroSlick to the ultimate test. What I have right here in front of me is a bucket full of water and mud, grime, a bunch of filthy stuff that you find, when you're going off-roading. We're gonna go ahead and put that to the ultimate test. Remember, The right side is coated, the left side is uncoated. Let's go ahead and throw this on the vehicle. Let's see what he does. By the way, we do not recommend doing this. This is just for demonstration purposes, so don't go out there, fill a bucket of water with mud, and throw it at your car. Woo! Check that out. I don't know about you, but that looked pretty cool. So the right side, as you guys saw, was coated. Nothing stuck on there. I mean, you got some leaves and stuff, but that's fine. We can wipe those right off. But the ultimate test here is how the mud didn't stick to the, the windshield. We want to be able to go off-roading without having to worry about mud getting on our windshield and not being able to see. So that's a pretty cool representation of how, HydroSlick performs and does against off-road terrain. If you guys like this video, make sure to give us a thumbs up. If you aren't already, make sure to subscribe to our channel if you want to see more cool videos like this. Also, feel free to comment down below what you guys want to see next time here on the Chemical Guys Detail Garage.